Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So first of all, you have to open Settings, then you have to go to the About Phone section, then go to the Backup and Restore, scroll down a bit, go to the Backup My Data, enable this feature here. What you have to do next is to add your Google account here. Of course, you will need internet connection to add Google account. Here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap Next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap Next. Then you have to agree with Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. And for the last thing, what you have to do is to tap Accept here, and after that your device will be ready to the backup. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.